Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about soluble salts and insoluble salt. In the previous class we have seen what is salt. So just for recapitulation, I am saying a salt is an ionic compound that dissociates and yields a positive ion other than the hydrogen ion and a negative ion other than the hydroxyl ion. So now we will be studying about the soluble salt and the insoluble salt. This is a very important topic, like how to identify and tell like whether which salt is your soluble and which salt is insoluble. So like first the soluble salts. So all sodium, potassium and ammonium salts, all sodium, potassium and ammonium salts, like sodium, potassium and ammonium, if these three are the positive ions present in any salt, like whether it's sodium chloride, ammonium chloride, whatever be the salt, if the positive ions are either sodium, potassium or ammonium, salt will be soluble irrespective what is the negative ion. Negative ion is not concerned. If the positive ions are sodium, potassium and ammonium, all the salts will be soluble. Next is nitrates and nitrites. All nitrates and nitrites are soluble. All nitrates and nitrites. All nitrates and nitrites are soluble. All nitrates and nitrites are soluble. Whatever be the positive ion not concerned, they will be soluble. Their salts will be soluble. All bicarbonates. All bicarbonates are soluble. All bicarbonates are soluble, but potassium bicarbonate and sodium bicarbonate, these two are sparingly soluble. What? Sparingly soluble. They will be soluble, but not to a greater extent. So they are sparingly soluble. These two are sparingly soluble. Next is your all sulfates. All sulfates are soluble. All sulfates are soluble except there are few sulfates that are not soluble, like PbSO4, CaSO4, BaSO4 and AgSO4. These four sulfates are not soluble. So PbSO4, CaSO4, BaSO4 and AgSO4, these four sulfates are not soluble. All sulfates are soluble except these four sulfates. Next is your all chlorides. All chlorides are soluble. All chlorides are soluble. There are exceptions: PbCl2, AgCl and AgCl. These three chlorides are insoluble. These three chlorides are insoluble. But there is another exception, that PbCl2. Now we are talking about this insolubility with respect to cold water. Insoluble in cold water. But PbCl2 is soluble in hot water. PbCl2 is soluble in hot water. PbCl2 is soluble in hot water. So an important question can be from this side. Salt that is soluble in hot water but not soluble in cold water. So PbCl2 is a salt that is soluble in hot water but not soluble in cold water. Next is all carbonates, oxides, sulfides, phosphates are insoluble. These categories are insoluble. These all, whatever be the positive ion, but if their sodium, potassium and ammonium salts are present, then these categories will also be soluble. Like if sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate, sodium sulfide, ammonium sulfide, ammonium phosphate, whatever be their combination with their combination with sodium, potassium, ammonium will be soluble, and else every other combination other than these three will be insoluble. So it's very simple, this chart, that which salts are soluble and which salts are insoluble. It's very important, you should know this in your fingertips, because like further you have to study like what happens when a soluble salt mixes with another soluble salt. So there is like soluble salt plus soluble salt gives you insoluble salt and another soluble salt. So there are this kind of reaction that we will be studying after. There are different kind of reaction like neutralization, titration involved, double decomposition, precipitation reaction. So various kind of reaction where one salt reacts with another kind of salt and yields another kind of salt. So you should know what kind of salt is reacting with what kind of salt, whether the salt is soluble or not soluble. So this way you should know which salt are soluble and which salt is insoluble. So just for quick recap, I am saying all sodium, potassium, ammonium salts are soluble. Whatever be the negative ion associated with it, we are not concerned. All nitrates and nitrites are soluble. Whatever be the positive ion concerned with it are does not matter. Nitrates and nitrates all soluble. All bicarbonates are your soluble except sodium and the potassium bicarbonate. They are sparingly soluble. They are soluble, but they are sparingly. All sulfates are soluble except the four sulfates: BaSO4, CaSO4, PbSO4 and AgSO4. These four sulfates are insoluble. All chlorides are soluble. All chlorides are soluble except three: PbCl2, AgCl and HgCl. Out of which the PbCl2 is soluble in hot water but not soluble in cold water. Then all your CO3 2 minus, O2 minus, your PO4 3 minus, your S2 2 minus, your SO3 2 minus, whatever their positive combinations be, they will be insoluble. But if their positive combinations are sodium, potassium or ammonium, then they will be soluble. So you should know this by heart. Okay, and this will help you to attempt a lot of questions. Thank you.